मैंने मु चिरंजीव आपन स्वागत है एक न्यू ब्लॉग रे। तो भाई जमते कि एबे आम जाऊँ एसडीआर ऑडिटोरियम जोटा कि ओडिशार सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट ऑडिटोरियम है। तो आज हूँ सेमिनार अच्छी तो जमती कि एआई विषय गोटे रिप्रेजेंट कराब। तो बाहर बाहर पिला भी आसुँच देखा सब पिला तो पलैले अलरेडी केवल आम डीएम पिला अच्छा माने आम जेहेतु रॉयल ब्रांच रॉयल है एंट्री कर भर को चलतु ए जा सब पिला अलरेडी पलैले मुझे वीडियो करी लास्ट को रहीगली आहरी भी पिला आसुँच तो से सब डेरी हे वेट करें मुझे जाऊँ जी और टोटाल वीडियो ही देखूँ केमती कौन हो देखिए आज चलो आपटे है आमर क्लासरूम अच्छे सेपट साइड्रे आटा तो आम कॉलेज फ्रंटा आटा गोटे पार्क अच्छी फ्रंट रे इवनिंग टाइम बस बसु मैंने ये आगू को देखा एठी पानी अच्छी जे पानी अवस्था पूरा खराब हो जाए सफासफी किसी होनी पूरा दल फल हो पूरा अबागिया एमती ही अच्छी। और एटा हूँ आमर एडमिन ब्लॉक आउट है ऑडिटोरियम यहाँ देखो एठू ऑडिटोरियम स्टार्ट पूरा गेट पर्यटन अच्छी मैंने एत बड़ा ऑडिटोरियम भितर तो देखिले सेपट गोटे अच्छी एसडीआर लोगोटा तो सेपट साइड रहा हॉस्टल तो बहुत ही दूर अच्छी 1 किलोमीटर पाखापाखि लिफ्ट को बंद कर आम जाऊँ सीढ़ी पटे ऑडिटोरियम स्टार्ट एपटे एमती किसी अच्छी बर्तमान जो सेकेंड फ्लोर को ऊपर को जय जगन्नाथ रास्ते भल रहा भ्यू किसी पहाड़ भ्यूटा सेपटे बरुणी पट एपटे तो तरापुई गाँ पट आम लिफ्ट आसले ये ओल्ले था लिफ्ट कौन बंद कर कौन कौन भाई आम सेकेंड ऊपर बसले लाभ नहीं तले बस आम आसचुरी बालकनी बड़ को पुणी तले भी आहरी अच्छी तो तल तो फुल होचुरी ऊपर को एबे मुझे फास्ट फ्लोर को देखिए आम ऑडिटोरियम ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ବସିଥିଲି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲୋରରେ। ତ ସେପଟେ ଗରମ ତ ଯେଉଁ କରା ହେଉଥିଲା ଛାଡ଼, ମାନେ ଅଧିକ ଜୋର ଗରମ ହେଉଥିଲା, ଏସି ବି ଅନ୍ ହେଇନଥିଲା। ତ ପୁଣି ବି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କରିବାକୁ ମୋତେ ମାନେ ଅବାଗିଆ ହେବ, ଜଣାପଡ଼ୁନଥିଲା ଭଲସେ। ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ କହିକି ଆସିଲି ହେରି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ଲୋରରେ। ତ ଆଗରୁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ଲୋର ପୁରା ଫୁଲ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା, ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ସିଟ୍ ଆଡ଼ଜଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା। ଏବେ ଆସିକି ମୁଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ଲୋରରେ ବସିଛି। ଯାଇକି ଏବେ ଆମର ସିଓ ସାର୍ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି।
Miss Prakriti, service delivery lead, Ericsson. Mr. N. Suresh, Head Skill Development and Digital NTTF. Dr. Manoj Kumar Das, Chairman, Radhisi Group. Mr. Sudhanshu Shekhar Patra, DGM Training Skill Development Institute. Mr. Rihan Neharanjan Das, DGM Advanced Training Skill Development Institute. Flower bouquet.
For all the stakeholders, students, faculty staff, training partners, and we promote safety culture with utmost sincerity. Various fire safety equipment such as DCP dry chemical powder and CO2, carbon dioxide, fire extinguishers, hydrant system, manual call point, smoke detectors, sprinkler system, and fire alarm control panel are installed at STIB, and we check the functionality and conduct mock drill regularly to sensitize all the stakeholders. There are 8 emergency exit doors present in lower gallery.
Very good morning to all of you. थोड़ा सा ब्रेकफास्ट तो सबने लिया है ना? जोर से बोलो। Good morning to all of you. That's better. That's better. So, as already the seminar tone has been set by Sudhanshu Patra, I think he has talked about the objective of this seminar. So I will just touch brief about what Skill Development Institute is doing and why we organize such seminars. Okay, before I start, it's a pleasure for and honor for Skill Development Institute to have such distinguished industry experienced speakers amongst us, Prakriti and Mr. N. Suresh, who is from NTTF. So we are really delighted, and students fraternity sitting over here, not only from our campus, but from other colleges, are eagerly waiting for hear from you what you will deliver with regard to the two topics which we have selected and which are really apt as the technology landscape is changing. With regard to that, these two particular subjects are very, very relevant. So that is something everyone, each one of us will like to hear that. Okay, and we are also honored that Manoj Kumar Das, Chairman Dadichi Group, is also amongst us. So he is also head of several academic institutes in Odisha. So some of you must be knowing it, and their institutes students are also here. So I also welcome you to this industry seminar because this is something like which we always strive for, that other academic institutes, professors, seniors, or administrative, in whatever role, administrative role or whichever role they are playing, they should
achievers and to be achievers. Both of them are my heartfelt greetings. I also would like to thank Mr. Shivkumar was here. So firstly, thanks SDA Bhubaneswar team for having us over. Okay, so and it's very, very great privilege to be addressing such a huge gathering and in front of very learned people. No, we are actually nervous. Okay, so whatever is the number of experience that we have got, nothing matters because what we do today is what matters. So if there are any errors, slip-ups, so please, I know your large heart, you will pardon our lapses, but we'll try and make it very interesting. How would you like the sessions to be? You want lot of inputs or you want discussion mode? On very, very strict deliverables, and the metrics were very, very stringent with high penal clauses. So if anybody at any time would like to consult on the campus or anything, no, so the right person to go to will be her, because she has worked a lot in Japan and everything, which as this talks about. Okay, we will leave the presentation, no, the PDF that can be circulated by my team here in SDA Bhubaneswar. So we will have whatever we are telling, no, you can pull us up tomorrow and ask us whether we are right or okay.
It takes me back to my college days, yeah, but it's really fun. You saw I have 19-20 years of industry experience already. Yeah, okay. Coming back to the company that I work for, Ericsson. Have you heard of Gartner? It's an independent entity that does evaluation of companies, the technology. They put a magic quadrant and then map all the companies that work on the same lines, similar services, etc. If you find time, sometime you have to go through the Gartner reports. So Ericsson clearly is the leader in telecom. So what does Ericsson do? Ericsson is a B2B company. So we are behind every telecom company like Airtel's, BSNL's of the world. What we do?
Help me to get a better picture of me. But what I'm proud of is there is a portrait behind that's done by one of my students. Okay, he sat while I was on the stage. Okay, he just drew that in 2.5 hours, wasted about 3 erasers and 3 pencils. Are part of the device itself. So in which case you can remove those two and it will be part of the sensor. There is a reason why this was brought in, and we are going to talk about it because energy management of IoT device, this is very important.
तो गाइस आमर सेमिनार सही अलरेडी तो एबे टाइम हेलानी 1:15 तो भोक भी बहुत देर लगे जाऊँ खाया अलरेडी आम पिला सब पढ़े मुझे थी एकुटिया इंडिया भितर चलो जीवार आज शुक्रवार तो कैंटीन माछ भजा डाली भात पापड़ रुटी दही हाँ हाय कर दियो तो वैसे अपन देखिए आम सेमिनार होता आउ सेमिनार सरला पर कैंटीन कैंटीन खाई सारिकी आसुचु क्लास को आसिक ड्रॉइंग भी करुचु सी जमीक SDA जो ऑडिटोरियम अच्छी यहाँ हूँ ओडार सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट ऑडिटोरियम जोटा कि फास्ट अच्छी किट सब बड़ ओडार आटा सेकेंड अच्छी माने टोटाल सीट हूँ 1200टा मैंने फास्ट फ्लोर सेकेंड फ्लोर 2टा फ्लोर अच्छी तो केते बड़ ऑडिटोरियम यहाँ तो जदि भिडियो भल लगे तो निहाती लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो भिडियो रखुच बाय बाय।
चालू चालू संस्था चालू